In this video, I'll show you how to open a new terminal window from your current terminal in Ubuntu. Sometimes you might be working on something in the terminal and want to open another terminal window without using the mouse. You can do that with a simple command. First, open your terminal by pressing CTRL ALT and T. Now type this command, GNOME Terminal, and let me explain what this does. GNOME Terminal is the name of the terminal application used by Ubuntu. When you type this command, it starts a new terminal window. The "and" at the end runs the command in the background. This means your current terminal won't freeze. You can keep using it while the new one opens. Just press Enter after typing the command. A new terminal window will appear on your screen. If you're using a different desktop environment, like KDE or XFCE, the command might be different. But for standard Ubuntu with the GNOME desktop, GNOME Terminal and works. That's all you need to do to open a new terminal window from your current one in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.